Run to the bakery!
Wow.
Have you got ice cream? Wow! How is it, Felicia?
This one.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Zaki, did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you? Why did you get up 3 times then?
No.
You don't know.
No.
No. Oh, you got her. Let's go again. Run to the bakery. Oh. Run to the bakery. Oh. Go. Run. Run to the bakery. Bonjour. Freckle, stay outside. Zaki, come. Oh, pardon. Bonjour. You want that one? This one? Are you sure? Yeah?
Wow. Don't drop it.
No, thank you, Freckle. No, thank you. Wanna put it back and eat it at home? Wow. Oh. You wanna take a croissant? Why?
Because I want to eat it.
Go on then. Oh, the whole thing? Uh-huh. Which one, Zaki?
That.
That one also?
That we having the whole thing. Look, we having the whole thing. Look.
Oh!
Wow.
Some coffee for the grown-ups to get ready for the day. Do you want to have some?
I found an upside down tree on a tree.
That looks really funny.
Because
This is Roquebrun, a village that was recommended to us by our French neighbor. This is the view from the bridge as you enter into the village, and look at this view. It's gorgeous. I'm so excited to explore this place. Oh! Woohoo! Bonjour! This village is so beautiful. Mediterranean garden. Very is it? You taking a picture? Cheers! Oh, thank you. Good girl. We found the entrance to the Mediterranean garden, and this is the view. And we are just about to go in. Look at this! Wow! Shall we have some water here?
Yeah. Mommy's home.
Oh, look!
Water.
Look at this!
Gaga. Fishy.
Fishy? No way!
They are so big. Oh my gosh. Look at them. They are so big. Becky, do you see the fish?
Oh yeah!
You gonna eat my finger?
You want to pick my dad?
No idea, Felicia. I don't think you should put your feet. Oh, he said hello. Look, hello.
Do you want to wave him? It's not easy to hike with a wheel.
Yeah, that's true.
It's very hot.
It is so hot.
Very difficult. But it's beautiful.
It's definitely worth it. I want ice cream too. We go back to the village, we find a place with ice cream, and then we can sit down and we can have some.
I want to walk with my ice cream.
Well, you can walk as well, but I think we need a little rest after this because it's really hot, isn't it? So nice. We are looking for an ice cream shop.
Tata, mommy.
Shall we go down there, Zaki?
Yeah.
Right, I need to be very careful holding the phone and carrying you on the stairs. It's not easy to see what I'm recording and also not falling down. But I go slowly. Ooh,
What a pink
look at that!
flower. Mommy.
Oh, look, Freckle's coming back for us. Hi, Freckle. Oh, look at this. Oh, the weather is nicer here, isn't it?
Yeah.
So cool. It's a little tiny door here. And it's a very narrow street. Can we even go through? Oh yeah, we can. Oh! A strawberry?
It's really nice.
Is that your favorite, Zaki? How is your ice cream? Good? Your ice cream, quickly. It's melting.
Yeah, it's so tasty.
Going down to the river to go into the water. What a view. What a view. Zaki, wait for mommy, please. Good boy. Oh, I need to hold your hand, don't I? What do you think of the view, Zaki?
Good.
Good? I think it's so beautiful. I want to come back. Shall we come back? Shall we bring Daddy? Oh, so gorgeous. This is the view as you drive to the goat farm. Quite something, isn't it? This is where they milk the goats, or the fresh milk. It's coming into this container. And come on, Zaki. Bonjour. And look, there they are. They're being milked. So the milk is going into this container all the way through those tubes down there where we're gonna get our fresh milk. They finished, so they're going back. Look, the little boy signaling them to go. That's really cool. And up there is a little shop where they sell goat cheese, and the same place where they actually make the cheese. How pretty, isn't it? Very, very nice. And look at this little bench. So sweet. Take it here. This is so cool. Look at all the and the certificates on the wall as well. So we got the goat milk now, and I am going to boil it, and then we are going to drink it. It's so cool that this place is so close to us. Ooh. Oh well, I'm making a big mess, but that's okay. That goat cheese is really good as well. We tried quite a few of them, and it's seriously delicious. Shall we do a cheers? Cheers! How is it, Felicia? So, this was one of our day. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.